I applied in IIT Madras. This is in 2019.
Okay.
So I applied in IIT Madras, IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, and IIT Kharagpur. IIT Bombay and Kharagpur, I just applied. I didn't want to go to abroad. I wanted to stay somewhere around my home itself.
Okay.
So even IIT Bombay and Kharagpur is far from me. So that interview and my project final review was on the same day.
Okay.
So I didn't attend that interview.
Okay.
From IIT Madras, I didn't get a call letter. That year, I got a call letter. And IISc Bangalore, I went. But then I couldn't clear.
For this IITs and IIScs, you need to clear GATE examination, I guess. So GATE examination was the requirement?
No. I have done my dual degree, right? I did my MTech. So if you have done your MTech from any CFIT, centrally funded institute with 8.5 GPA, they will shortlist for.
Okay.
So that's how I got shortlisted. But Madras, that time I didn't get shortlisted. After that, I didn't get the like in IISc also. So I joined as a project associate and 5G tester in IIT Madras. That time, Jashwanti from our college only, she was working there. So through her only, I joined there. And after joining, I think her professor, they were also looking for some PhDs. So he asked, seeing my resume, he asked whether you have applied. I said, yes, sir, I have applied, but I didn't get a call letter. So then after that, they sent a call letter. And then I attended, like just a day before, I was given a call letter and then I attended an interview. I'm actually very scared of stage presence or presenting myself in front of everybody. So that interview was like around 10 people will be sitting in front of you. It's a panel. That time there was no COVID, right? So it's 10 people sitting in front of you and each of them will ask questions. Questions will be like very thick questions only. But the fact that you're inside IIT Madras, 10 people are sitting in front of you itself will make you feel low. Like I am that kind of a. So they asked actually very simple questions like on vectors, like that. Draw a vector, just like that. Even that, I was literally frozen there. I didn't answer any questions. Hardly I want to. What is the stable system? They asked me simple like that. Simple questions only they'll ask. So I'm that I answered, but many questions I was like literally frozen there. I didn't answer. What happened? So that year gone, I was working as a 5G test in 5G test. Then again in December, competitions will be less. If there are 50 people in May, means there are only around 20 people in December.
Yeah, I heard this regarding this. During winter session, the competition will be less.
Less, yeah. So it will be less. But even then, the same problem happened. I didn't clear. Okay. This time also, I didn't clear. But lockdown came. I was working from home only. I was continuing my project associate work. Then May.
How did you get this project associate position there?
Okay, that was like since Jashwanti was there, she was a contact for me. So I asked her if there is any vacancy. So I sent my resume to her, and so the process is basically based on the resume. Then generally they look at your resume, and then that's how you get selected. If you have a decent resume, I think that time they were in need of manpower that time. They wanted to take a lot of people. So a decent resume will get a project associate. I had attended other project associate interviews also. Like they'll have a similar to PhD, they will have a proper interview. Proper will happen and then they will take. And the vacancies for some labs are very less only. 1 or 2 people only. They'll be very specific with requirement. If you know, Jagannath sir, he was my in charge that time. So, but I told I'm interested in doing PhD, but not in communication. I want to do something in signal processing, application of signal processing in medicine, like that I was telling him. So he actually approached, he said his colleague. So when you know a professor in an institute, it's always good. If they know that it's always good. So since he was very like convinced with my work in test bed, he actually recommended to another professor, his colleague, who works in biomedical imaging. He works on breast cancer problem and all. So he was in need of a PhD that time. So he recommended me. So he was also like ready to take. All I had to do, at least answer one question in the interview.
Yes.
While applying itself, they will in the application itself they will ask which group you go for, like which group you want to test. One will be in signal systems, and is signal system communications, VLSI, photonics, like that, controls. This professor was in photonics. I spoke to him. I was sent to that interview.
Okay.
So even so this time it was COVID. It was not face-to-face interview. It was an online interview. And this time again the same thing happened. In fact, the panel members, they asked, is there any network issue? I'm not, the screen is struck, like that they were telling, okay. It was like, that's how frozen I am. So
Monisha, now you are speaking very good. Like
yeah, that's the learning, maybe.
Yeah,
that's the learning in this one. Yeah. So what I did is, this is because afterwards, so I decided I'm not doing PhD. This is the reason I even didn't get interviews also, like in company interviews also, I think. So I thought, okay, I'll change my track. I'll do government job. So I wrote exam also for CGL. That time, it's like when you don't know what you're doing next, you'll do everything.
Yes,
so I applied government job also, CGL. I cleared first round. Why I applied for this? There is no interview. There is only document verification at the four stages of examination, but there is no interview in that. You will have only document. So even I did that also. But so this 2020, I had applied. What happened is, when I was working as a project associate, one advantage is you will know what is happening inside IIT Madras more closer.
Yes.
So we have a IIT mail ID. So they used to send all mails, whatever research is happening inside. So there was a lot of researches on whenever some word like biomedical device, biomedical something comes, I'll click on that and see. So that is how I came to know that there is a department called Applied Mechanics. And there is a biomedical engineering group there. And I went and searched about the group and professors there, and that was it was really fascinating for me as a medical aspirant. When you see related work will be so I was very interested in working there. So I even approached professors there. They said, you attend the interview, we'll then see. So previous year I had applied only to electrical engineering departments alone. This year I 3 institutes, and I applied different departments. Like in IITM, I applied in AE, Applied Mechanics and Biotechnology department. In SC also, I applied in like this similar different departments. In IIT Hyderabad also applied in biomedical department, apart from electrical department. So it was full of interviews that time. After this first incident, so my first interview was this at IIT Madras EE department. After that, a couple of weeks later, other interviews were there. So I spoke to my friends, like, I'm getting frozen like this. I am planning to not attend other interviews. That is what I was thinking. Because this time, even before years 2019, I can say I was not prepared. Not very much prepared. I was not planning what to do next, like at college, during college time. So, but this 2020, it was locked down, and I was very well prepared only. And even the moment after I switched on the camera, I knew the answer. I was not able to express it there. Then what is these people, my friends, they suggested that we'll do a mock interview like that. So I did mock interviews with one of my friend and one of my junior. He worked with me in test bed. So they actually helped me in that. So when I was like how I talk to you now, I was able to them that time. So that they said, okay, don't think that there are people and professor sitting that side, think that we are sitting that side, then
Yeah.
you do like that. So this mock interview was like really helpful. After that, the other interviews, I got cleared in I think 4 interviews. One is I got applied mechanics at IIT Madras.
Okay.
In bio, now what I'm doing, 3 institute do it. I'll tell about that later.
Yeah, sure,
so 3
sure.
institute. Yeah, so now I'm doing a 3 institute program. I attended that interview. I cleared that, and I had 2 departments. I cleared that interview. So that's the thing. So you know when you interview, fear everybody will have.
Yes,
but
yes.
when you do these kind of mock interviews with your friends or something, just think that the opponent is your friend or something.
Yeah.
It's difficult to think that way, but only when you do such type of mock interviews, it will be really helpful.
So coming to
more advantage of attending these interviews is questions will be okay. Somewhere the other, in one interview, what questions they ask, even if you don't know, you go find the answers later. That question was my next interview, so I was able to answer. So that way, even by attending interviews, you can prepare.